If you would like to develop apps for the Microsoft HoloLens, and you have a good chunk of cash to shell out for an augmented reality prototype, then this is the purchase for you. For $3,000, developers can now pre-order the HoloLens Development Edition, which will start shipping on March 30th of this year. Developers in the US and Canada, or anyone participating in the Windows Insider program, will have the opportunity to apply. I thought this was funny. Accepted applicants will be invited to purchase the Development Edition. So, congratulations, developers. You passed the application process and can now give your money to Microsoft. And you may buy up to 2 devices when you receive your initial invitation. In keeping with Microsoft's scattered business plan to push Windows 10 with as much strategic force as possible, Windows 10 will be the first platform to support holographic computing. With the purchase, developers will have access to a complete set of documentation, tutorial videos, and a small variety of holographic app experiences to help them get started. Microsoft will also provide information on how to create holographic apps as universal Windows platform apps. Of course they will. In this space of mixed reality where the real world and the digital world blend together, the Development Edition is the first step in bringing the HoloLens to consumers. Although the Development Edition is rather limited, it is a development tool and not a product for consumers. Microsoft has not released any details on general availability, and we shouldn't expect them to anytime soon. For Pentatech, I'm Kelby Weiler.